So this is the Sentinel Exhaust Brake itself, and the system comes, of course, with the harness and the controller and everything you need to install it on your truck. And basically what this does is it creates a restriction in the exhaust flow, creating a back pressure. But it does it through, basically a lot of engineering to make sure that it creates the right back pressure, but not excessive back pressure. So it's very safe for your engine. Exhaust brakes have been around a long time. They do work. Now, the benefit of an exhaust brake is when you're coming down a hill and you're carrying a heavy load, or really anything, without an exhaust brake, you rely solely on your axle brakes. And if it's a long hill or if you're carrying a heavy load, you will overheat those brakes. And you'll either glaze them or shorten the life of them, or actually, in some cases, catch them on fire. So the exhaust brake allows you to engage the exhaust brake, let off the brake pedal, and go down a hill in control speed because the engine is slowing it down. And when you shift down in a manual, you feel it and you get in a gear and you can slow yourself down. But the problem with that, if you got too much weight, it'll over rev the engine. Well, the exhaust brake makes all of that go away. It allows you to downshift even with an automatic transmission and go down a hill without using your axle, your traditional brakes.